Triangle law of addition of vector. As we know, suppose this is vector A, this is vector B. I want to add these two vector. So we will put this vector A here. I will bring this vector B without changing its magnitude and direction and put the tail of this B on the head of vector A and join the tail of vector A to head of vector B. Then this C will give me vector A plus B. This is called A plus B, and this way of adding a vector is triangle law of addition of vector. This is vector A, this is vector B, vector A. This can also be done as this is vector B, this is vector A, and this is vector C. If you see this C1 and if you see this C2, these two are actually same. So either A plus B is also equal to B plus A. And after addition law, we will discuss how to subtract two vectors. Suppose this is vector A, so I will write vector D, which is equal to vector A minus vector B. So subtraction of two vectors is nothing. This can be written as A plus minus of vector B. So subtraction of two vectors is also like addition with a positive vector and a negative vector. So I can write this. This is vector A, this is vector B. So this is vector minus B, this is vector minus B. So I will put it here. This is vector minus B. This is vector A, this is vector minus B. So if I join this tail and head, this is actually vector D, which is equal to vector A minus vector B. So subtraction of two vectors is nothing, it is addition of a positive vector and a negative vector. Now, how to write two-dimensional vector? As here we have discussed how to write 2 cap, how to write 3 cap. Now we'll discuss how to draw vector A, which is equal to 2 cap plus 3 cap. Now this vector A can be written as vector P plus vector Q. Now vector P here is 2 cap and vector Q here is 3 cap. This is P and this 3 cap is Q. Now I will put this is vector O to P, this is vector P, 2 cap. I draw a vector of length 2 unit along positive x-axis, and 3 cap. I draw a vector, this is vector 3 cap, whose length is 3 unit and which is along positive y-axis, and join the tail of this 2 cap and head of this 3 cap, then it will give me vector A, which is equal to 2 cap plus 3 cap. Now the length of this vector A, the length of this vector A means mod of vector A is equal to, this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 90 degrees. So we can say this is equal to root over 2 square plus 3 square. It will give me root 13, which is magnitude of vector A. A cap, as we know, A cap is vector A divided by mod A. This is called unit vector of vector A. Now we know vector A is 2 cap plus 3 cap and mod of vector A is root 13. So A cap is 2 by root 13 I cap plus 3 by root 13 j cap. Now this 2 by root 13 is also called cos alpha and 3 by root 13 is also called cos beta. This is alpha and this is beta. They are sometimes represented by L and M, also called direction cosine. Now another question is draw vector B, which is equal to 4 cap minus 3 cap. Now first I will write vector B as vector P plus vector Q. Now here vector P, which is equal to 4 cap. Now vector Q can be written as minus 3 cap. So first I draw a vector P. This is 4 cap. This vector p is 4 I cap. It is 4 I cap. Its length is 4 unit and the direction is along positive x-axis. This is vector p. And vector q, its length is 3 unit and it is minus j cap. So I will draw a vector which is downward. Its length is 3 and the direction is minus j cap. So it is minus 3 j cap. Now by using triangle law, I will add these two. So I will draw a vector starting from here to here. This is vector b. It is 4 I cap minus 3 j cap. So this is vector b, which is equal to 4 I cap minus 3 j cap. Now if I want to know what is mod of vector b, magnitude of vector b. So mod of vector b is root over the length of this vector b converted. The length of this square means 4 square plus 3 square. So it comes out to be 5 unit. Now b cap. B cap is simply vector b divided by mod of vector b. It is equal to vector b means 4 I cap minus 3 j cap divided by, it is 5. Mod of b is 5. So it is 4 by 5 I cap and minus 3 by 5 j cap. So here cos alpha is 4 by 5 and cos beta is minus 3 by 5. Means this is your beta and this is your alpha. Now see how to write vector r, that is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. Now first we will draw x axis, y axis and z axis. This is our x axis, y axis and this is z axis. Now as we know, this is equal to vector r, which is equal to vector a plus vector b plus vector c. First we bring back vector a, then we will bring vector b. This is vector a plus v, which is of green color. Now this is vector c. This is called vector a plus b plus c. Here vector a is 3 I cap. So I will draw a vector which is equal to 3 I cap. So this is 3 I cap. Second is plus 4 j cap. So I will put a vector like this. It is 4 j cap. This is 4 j cap. And third one is 4 k cap. So plus 4 k cap. So this is 4 k cap. So if I join this origin to the starting point here, it is vector r. This is the way to write the three-dimensional vector. Now first we will calculate the magnitude of vector r. Magnitude of vector r is actually the length of this O to this point P. So length of this vector is equal to mod of vector r, which is equal to root over this 3 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. It is this square plus this square plus this square. This is magnitude of vector r, which is equal to root over 9 plus 16 plus 16, which is equal to root over 41.